In this video, I will show you how to use the loop over item node in n8n. So first, let's review fastly the documentation. Basically, for this node, you have only one parameter, that is the batch size. So the batch size is the number of elements you will loop over in each turn. So for example, let's say you have a list of 12 elements and the batch size is 2. You will do 6 loops because you're treating 2 items per 2. But for most cases, if you use the loop over item, you will only use the batch size of 1 because you want to treat each element one by one. So let's go back on n8n. So this workflow will allow you to understand fastly how this is working. So we have a classic trigger. So we search in a database of long tail keyword for SEO. So this is just keyword with monthly traffic, difficulty, intent, and ratio. And we have here as an output of this node 31 item. Here, let's say you wanted to apply a process or some steps to each element. So you want to go through each element one by one and apply something. So we'll see just after. This is where you will use loop over item. As I said, because we want to treat each element one by one, we use a batch size of 1. And as you can see, we have multiple runs. So I stopped it at 12, but normally it will go until every element is treated, so 31. But for each loop, we have loop 1, one element, loop 2, another element, etc. After this, we'll apply this extra steps. That is, let's say we want to increase the difficulty by 0.01. So we add an update record Airtable module. You set up every parameter. So column to match ID, the ID to match JSON ID that you find in the loop over item node. And here you include the difficulty and you add 0.01. So as you can see on the left side, the difficulty was 0.65, and on the left side, it is 0.66. You can add as many steps as you want here in the loop pass. And when it's finished, so when in this example, you went through the 31 element, and at end we go to the done pass. And you can continue your workflow after treating every element. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any question regarding this node. Thank you for watching.